This is the Eucerin Intense Repair Balm. So I was drawn to this one because it says right here it's essential oil balm, and I really like to use essential oils, more of those natural type ingredients, and the fact that it is a balm. So it's for very dry skin, which is what happens for my skin in the wintertime, and it says deeply moisturizes, and on a scale from light to rich, it is all the way rich. So this is a true balm. So I am excited to go ahead and try this out. It is also fragrance free, which is another big one for me. I don't want any fragrance, that's just gonna dry more. And it's a dermatological skincare. So very excited to try this out. Oh wow. Yes, that is a true balm. I'm not sure if you can see that in there, but this is not a moisturizer. It's past a moisturizer. It's not even a creamy type thick moisturizer. This is a balm type material. Okay, so I took out a bit and rubbed it in my hands and my arms. I'm not sure if you can see how truly moisturized they look. So you can just see how much moisturize I brought. This is a true balm. It's like it's just made out of glycerin and essential oils. Like it is a thick oil. This is certainly for winter, certainly for very dry skin, and I'm looking forward to being able to use this. It's gonna do wonders.